SocialPilot is a powerful social media management tool that helps individuals, teams, and businesses manage their social media more efficiently. It allows users to schedule and publish posts across multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and more from one easy-to-use dashboard. With features like bulk scheduling, you can plan and upload hundreds of posts in advance, saving time and ensuring consistent posting. One of SocialPilot's most useful features is its content calendar. The calendar gives you a clear, visual overview of all your scheduled, published, and draft posts in one place. You can easily plan content days, weeks, or even months ahead, drag and drop posts to reschedule them, and quickly spot any gaps in your posting schedule. This makes it easier to maintain consistency and balance your content across different platforms without confusion. SocialPilot also supports smooth team collaboration by allowing role assignments, content approvals, and easy management of multiple social media accounts. Its analytics and reporting tools help track engagement, audience growth, and post performance, so you can see what content works best and adjust your strategy accordingly. Overall, SocialPilot helps streamline social media management, stay organized with its powerful calendar feature, and grow your online presence with ease. Try SocialPilot today using our link in the description below and start managing your social media smarter.